In this video, we're going to learn how to use the Track Select Backward tool, which means selecting all clips to the left of your cursor on the timeline. This tool works similar to the Track Select Forward tool, but instead of selecting clips ahead of your cursor, it selects clips behind it. Let's start. Go to the toolbar near the timeline, click and hold on the Track Select Forward tool icon until you see the second option appear. Select the Track Select Backward tool, which shows an arrow pointing to the left. Now move your cursor to the timeline and click on a clip. As soon as you click, all clips to the left of that point on the same track will automatically get selected. If you drag, all selected clips move together as one group. So this is useful when you need to shift earlier sections of your edit without manually selecting everything. The Track Select Backward tool helps keep your workflow fast and organized, especially in longer timelines. And that's it. You now know how to use the Track Select Backward tool properly in Adobe Premiere Pro. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials.